What's going on, guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I just want to go over how much I spent on this 2020 Road Glide in terms of parts, performance parts, accessories, everything that's on the bike. Disclaimer, there are a few items on here that I actually got for free. I'll go over that before we even start, but if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned. I'll show you, have I been irresponsible or responsible spending all that money to just accessorize and to make this bike perform the way I want it to. Let's get into it. Alright, first off I want to show you all the parts that I got for free. So first off we have this 9-inch Sport Flare by Clockworks windshield, air duct color match inner fairing right here, and these caps for the mounting piece for the backrest. Now I got those parts from Cycle Fanatics. I appreciate it. You didn't have to, but thank you. I really appreciate it. And yeah, if you guys haven't checked out his channel, which you probably guys do, I'll leave his link below. The second thing I was gifted was by Mr. Holy Shift, and it was these Kimimoto's soft lowers. I really love these things in the wintertime, also in the rain. They keep the wind and rain off your legs and feet. So Mr. Holy Shift, I appreciate that too. The last thing is this derby cover by Harley. Just a big shout out to Mr. Nedal. I really appreciate it. You didn't have to, you gave me that. And you could have used it on another bike or kept it for yourself, but I really thank you for that. So I really appreciate it, guys. You didn't have to give me any of these products. I really appreciate it. It's always a pleasure to ride with you and be with you guys, so I just want to say thank you. All right, this is a 2020 Road Glide Special in Billiard Red, as you can see. So we're going to go off, first off, we're going to talk about the price of the bike. Back in 2020, I actually purchased this bike for $24,000. Out the door, you're probably looking closer to 26 and a half. Now you're going to say to yourself, well, Dave, that wasn't really a deal in 2020. Yeah, it wasn't, but I did get a good deal on my trade-in, and that's why I got this bike. And that'll be another story for another day. So we'll start from the front here, make our way around the bike, and I will actually include some of the prices of some of these things. I did actually get some of this stuff on sale. I'm going off of MSRP, what they're off of the website. Most of the stuff I got from Get Lowered Cycles. Sometimes they run sales, so I'm just giving you the regular price of each item. So first we're going to start off with the Zero 3D Fang lights right here off the website. That's $200. Then we have the side markers here, left and right. That's $150. We're actually going to go around. We'll leave the engine for last. So we have the R&S Speedliner kit. Now the kit came with the brake arm, the shift linkage, and the shifter. That's on the other side. That was $650. And then the boards that were separate, the boards were about $550. So we're going to the back here. We have these passenger pegs. These were actually $90. So now we're here in the back. The bagger blades were $200. These inserts right here, both sides, were $370. And then we have the other marker lights here, run, brake, turn lights right here. Those were $150. I also added the Hogwarts mounting kit for a backrest, for a pillion backrest, and the little luggage here. So this actually kit was $150. Then the actual sissy bar, which I have stored in the back behind me, was $220. And the luggage rack that I have, it was $160. So now we're on this side of the bike here. Before we move to the seat, I do have the actual 13-inch Ohlins 772 black lines. And right in here, that's about $1,000. And then we have this Lucky Dave seat. This Lucky Dave seat was $560. Coming back around to the engine here again. Now I said the Speedliner kit that was $650. This was actually part of it. Shifter linkage, the shifter, and obviously the boards were separate, like I said before. So we're making our way back up. All right, so we are here on the handlebar setup. Let's go over what each item is and how much it costs. Arlen-S downdraft mirrors. They cost about $200. We have these Arlen-S fusion grips. They're about $90. We have the Thrash and Supply high bend bar. That's about $150. We have the riser, a 6.5 straight rise. That was $450. We have these Memphis Shades hand guards. That's $80. And then in the fairing, I recently changed it, was the Hertz speakers, the Hertz SX 165 Neos. So in the fairing, I have a Precision Power amp. It came with the whole wiring kit, and it also came with the kit to flash the stock radio.
The whole kit was $1,500.
All right, now this is what everyone's been waiting for, what kind of performance parts and what kind of money I spent on performance parts. So first off, we're going to do right here the HPI version 2 air intake, and that was $465. We also have the external breather right here. That was another $100. And behind all that, we have the S&S 55mm air intake manifold, and that was $185. We also have I also put the Harley oil cooler fan. That's behind here.
And that was $270.
And then inside the belly of the beast here, we have the 475 chest kit by S&S. So that chest kit, it comes with the push rods, obviously the S&S cam, the plate, everything that you need. And that was $1,600. Now, my Bassani 2-in-1 exhaust right here, that was $1,200. But also, I got a ghost pipe on the other side. It's a non-functional pipe. That was an extra $400. All right, so that's all the parts and accessories I got on this motorcycle. So guys, what do you think I spent? I'm gonna tell you right now, it's a lot. Leave it in the comments below. Let's add all this up, and I will give you a total price of all the parts I've gotten. Now, this is not including labor. Labor, it depends on where you go for labor. You know, a lot of places, if you go to Harley, it's premium. They're going to charge you a good amount for labor. I don't know what labor prices are anymore. I know when my father worked for Mercedes, labor, this was almost 15, 20 years ago, labor was almost $200 an hour. So for a motorcycle, who knows? Maybe it's $150, maybe it's $125, who knows? But labor, I am not including labor in this. So take it with a grain of salt. Maybe with labor, you could add an extra $3,000, I want to say. But anyway, let's total this up. All right, so after adding all those prices up, this is what I got. $12,010. Holy Jesus. I hope my wife is not watching this. Wow, that's a lot of money. But was it responsible of me to spend all that? I don't think so. Did I enjoy doing all these modifications to my bike? Yeah, I did. Can't put a price on that. And you know what? You know, we could say all these mods for what? You could have got a better bike from a BMW, from a Honda. But you know what? I love Harleys. That's the best part about a Harley is you get to customize it the way you want. The aftermarket for it is alive and well, and I really, really can't say enough. I mean, yes, was it irresponsible for me to spend $12,000? If I told my wife the price I spent that much, yes, it's very irresponsible. But at the end of the day, you only live once. I'm happy with my motorcycle, and I probably am done spending all that money to fix it the way I want. Probably the only other two things I want to do is the fender and the brake rotors, and that will just be done when I need new brake stuff, so we could do it all at once. But anyway, so there you have it, guys. I just wanted to show you what I spent on my motorcycle. Yes, was it dumb of me? Yeah, after thinking about it real hard, it is really dumb that I spent that much money. But on the other end of the spectrum, I wouldn't have it any other way. This motorcycle is going to be with me until the wheels fall off. So even then, when the wheels fall off, I'll still keep dumping money into it. So I hope you liked today's video, guys. Please hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification. Every time I upload something, the good old YouTube will let you know. So there you have it, guys. My 2020 Road Glide Special in Billiard Red and all the modifications. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.